tonight it's cleanup day. We're cleaning some stuff up. We did get a little bit of rain too. We got like 3/10 of an inch here. Got 2/10 over at Mango. And I'm happy that we got something. I wish we'd have got a lot more, but we didn't. But we got all kinds of stuff out here. See, we got the snowmobile out. And you can see the hood's up on the F250. It needs new battery cables, and we haven't done that job yet. So, we got the John Deere here, the big 758. We're gonna hook onto it, the chain, and we're gonna drag it out of there. We'll fix it here in a little bit, because Kylie and I have a project going on back here. We're cleaning out a barn that had a bunch of stuff in it, manure on the floor, and everything else since we had goats back here. We used to keep a lot of goats back in this barn. But we're cleaning it out, and going to get rid of some of that hay, manure, everything, all the above is what we have there. So let's get a chain hooked onto this stuff, and we're going to drag it out of the way. This did this one other time on me, but we were in the shop when it happened. Trying to find a place to put you. Hopefully she doesn't run into me. There it is. See, we pulled the trailer and the pickup truck for the big John Deere. So you can see here we got Super 88 hooked up to the manure spreader. Got the loader tractor on the other side of it. So we're going to go out and we got to get it. We've got 2 or 3 feeders out there in the barn we got to get out. So we got to get the forks put on here. Take this bucket off. These here are really good feeders. They're made so you can feed either hay or what? Made so you can feed hay in them and grain in them. Also got a grapple bucket right there, but I need a third, I don't know what you call it, that you put on your loader, the kit that you put on your loader to run it. would be really nice having that, being able to use that grapple. But you need places here on the front to hook hydraulics to, and this tractor doesn't have them. I went to the local New Holland dealer and asked them about it, and they said I could get it aftermarket somewhere, but I don't know where. So if you guys can think of any place or know of any place where I can get the remote on the front of this thing, put down in the comments. That grapple will be handy. There's some twine in there. We'll just have to get it off the beater. I gotta go dump the thing.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go do that. Just rake out what you can for now.
Well, we're halfway done. Woo!
time to eat now. We're going to eat. All right, we are at the airport eating. I have cream chicken over mashed potatoes and green beans. Looks like Kyler's got a turkey sandwich or something.
Yep, turkey sandwich and chili.
And it seems to be pretty good, so we're going to eat here a little bit. We got an airplane out there. It's taxiing out. It's going to take off. And I think we have another one. Is there another one around the corner? That's not a good sight when it goes out. It looks cool, but must be going to a wreck or an accident or something somewhere. We do have care flight. It's housed right here in Urbana. All right, guys, it's the next day. It feels like it's about 38 below zero right now. Really, it's 53 degrees. We went from 80 degrees yesterday to 53 degrees right now. And it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon or something like that. But it's cold out. Wind's blowing, coming right from the north, blowing right in here, right in these doors here that we're in. But I want to explain to you a little bit about the building that we cleaned out yesterday. Back in the day, it was a hog barn. And when I bought this place and moved here, we always just called this the hog barn. So if I say we're in the hog barn, that's this barn right here. It's a little low roof building, and it used to have hog pens all down through each side of this, and there's a driveway through the center here. And we tore all that out years ago and used it for some storage. Well, then we got into goats, and then we made pens in here for the goats, like this pen right here. This used to be actually 2 pens. We used them for breeding pens, and we had outside runs with these 2 pens here. And then in the very back, we had a big open pen. And we fed a lot of goats around here, or in this building here, and that doesn't count the other barn. Plus, spent a lot of nights out here when it was 0 in January, pulling baby goats, because we used to kid a bunch of them out here too. Really, it's a really nice building, but we're really slowing down on the goats now. We only bred 2 of them this year, so we turned it back into some machine storage, and we're going to keep the little things out here, the lawn mowers, the gator. I got my standard 66 sitting back here in the back. And I've got room for like 3 more tractors back there, so I can put the 88 out here, and you know, the stuff where we want to close the barn up pretty well. This barn closes up pretty well. So just need some extra storage. I have a 40 by 60 shed that Kylie wants to start doing our videos in it, just so we have a bigger building, because the garage I got just isn't big enough. I mean, we want to work on some big things, and I can get a combine in there and work on it if I want to. So it was actually built for a shop, and when we cleaned this place out, it was the catch-all, and it needs some really good rearranging, and we're going to start videoing in there. So we just need this for the smaller things. So we got the lawn mowers, like I say, got the roller over there, got the little yard cart over here behind me, and here, I'll just walk around and check it out. We'll stand here in the door and look back in there. These are the 2 pens over here on the left. We're going to keep them for now. But as you can see, we got the lawnmowers back in there, and then the golf cart. Golf cart won't fit there once I get it stretched out. Don't know what we'll do. But got the roller back here in the corner, and then yard cart there, and the mighty standard 66 sitting on back here. We still do have some cleaning out to do. We got to get it out, and we got some other stuff back there, some manure on the floor we need to clean up. But so all that, I guess we're going to call this video finished for today. I'd like to thank everybody for watching. I'm going and looking at something Monday that it's going to really help out a lot around here. So be sure to check back in on that, and hopefully it's going to work out. I've needed a certain tool for quite a while, and I might just have found one that I want. So, all right. With that, I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Don't forget to go check out harmlessfarmer.com if you need a shirt or a hat or stickers or all kinds of stuff on there. And I got some farm pictures on there from last year, and also just kind of tells about my story a little bit on there. But go check it out. Don't forget to check out Just Kylie's YouTube channel. And thanks for watching, everybody. We really appreciate it. Now I'm going to get the mower out and I'm going to mow the yard in the wind and the cold. Thanks, guys.